Welcome to the Bird Family Christmas. I'll give you a little tour around of our room. Look at all the presents we've got. It looks like Santa did make it last night. Ooh, there's Lexi Bird's pile. She's got a nice one. There's all of our stockings. Whoa, Ryan Bird did not get shut out. He's got some cool stuff. And last but not least, there's Austin Bird. Yeah! All right. I think the kids are ready to come down. I'm going to pan upstairs. I see them peeking already. First down will be Alexis Skylar Bird. Here she comes. She's at a mad dash trying to find her pile. She found it! What did Santa bring you? Is that a Barbie doll?
Barbie doll. Just what I wanted.
Oh, what is it? Oh, awesome.
A coloring book? What is that? Some sort of food? Shocker. Okay. Lexi Bird. What's that big green thing, Lexi? Is that some sort of sled?
Nice. That looks like it'd go fast.
Okay. Next up, Mr. Austin Jeffrey Bird. Give it to the crowd. No shirt on as usual and about 7 power necklaces. All right. Mr. Austin Bird. Where is Austin Bird's pile?
Right here.
I think it's over here.
Not that.
I see a soccer ball. I don't know that Ryan's getting a soccer ball.
Is it for me?
I think that may be a combo gift, dude.
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Sweet. Is this
What?
for Ryan?
No, that's Austin Bird's pile.
Sweet. No, now Charlie wants to open his.
Hold on. Looks like Austin got some nice new hockey skates,
Nice.
soccer ball, sled. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is Ryan coming? Good work there, Austin.
Oh, Hawk Rock.
Nice.
Puck, nice. Okay. Last but not least, Ryan Joseph Bird. Come on down. He's giving his football dance, what he did after he scored his touchdown. Yeah.
You got Michael
Touchdown.
Ryan Bird did not get shut out. What all does he have?
Oh, see this?
Oh, this is sweet.
Let's see. He got his Colts pillow pet, which I knew he wanted. What else does he have? Oh, he's got some hockey helmet. Looks like Santa brought him some mouthwash. That's very interesting. What else? Oh, and he's got an IU. You know, he's a real good golfer now, so he's got an IU ball market, divot tool, and a towel.
How fit?
Oh,
Very
I
nice.
didn't know this one. That's like your
I don't think the boys noticed their biggest present. Right? I'm focusing in on your biggest present. Did you even notice what you got?
Hold on. I want to see if this fits.
Oh, awesome. That's perfect. We needed that. We needed that, didn't we? Looks like you got Austin some too.
Austin's enjoying his soccer ball, of course. He doesn't have any skills, but he does have a new soccer ball.
Oh, Santa knew you'd like those cheese balls.
Okay, I'm at about 4 minutes, people. I'm going to take a little break, and we'll be back in a minute to enjoy the rest of the Bird Family Christmas.